problema? Ganito ka rin ba? May staff kang parang walang pake sa trabaho? Anak, I'm not a lawyer, but as a business owner who has handled many employee issues and heard their struggles, I've learned that workplace problems are rarely one-sided. Alam mo ba anak, I remember back in my business, years ago, meron akong empleyado who was always late. Lagi siyang may excuse. At first, I took it personally. Ayaw ba niya talaga akong sundin? And I was really frustrated and I was ready to fire him. Pero naisip ko, baka may ibang dahilan. Kaya kung ikaw na isang business owner, ask yourself first, malinaw ba ang expectations ko? Baka akala mo lang naintindihan na nila pero hindi pala. Nabibigyan ko ba sila ng tamang training, support at feedback? Hindi lahat ng pagkakamali ay dahil sa katamaran. Baka hindi lang nila alam ang tamang paraan. Nakikinig ka ba sa kanila? Baka naman may problema silang pwedeng solusyonan kung nag-usap lang kayo ng maayos. Nakasulat ba ang company policies mo, mga rules and regulations, mga code of employee conduct? Alam mo anak, mahirap sumunod sa rules kung hindi malinaw. Kung ikaw naman ang empleyado, isipin mo rin, alam ko ba talaga ang expectations ng boss ko? Baka may miscommunication lang kami. Ginagawa mo ba ang best mo? Nasabi mo ba ang mga concerns mo? Alam mo ba ang mga company policies ninyo? Anak, mahalagang alam natin ang ating rights at responsibilities. So, the lesson is this. Most workplace issues are not about bad attitudes, but misunderstandings. Kaya tandaan natin, emotions can cloud our judgment. So, let's be business-minded, Pinoy. And if we want more strategies to grow our business without the stress, grab my book, Grow Your Business Pinoy. Link in the comments.